Tree of 168. So 168, it can be written as 2 times 84. 2 times 84 mean 168. Like as 84, it can be written as 2 times 42. 2 times 42 mean 84. And 42, it can be written as 2 times 21. 2 times 21 mean 42. And 21, it is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 mean 21. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 3 and 7. So we can write 168 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is this 2, like as this 2, this 2, this 3 and at last this 7. So this much for today and thanks for watching.